Okay, John P, this video is for you. I'm sitting here on the back side of my house in the backyard. This is the... Let me see if I can put the phone here without... Please don't fall. Okay. I'll try to do it like this. Sorry. Well, this is the main handle. This is the filter. I already have some dents here because this is pressed on the cup, so it needs to be removed. Let me just try to. It's not easy. I don't know if this plier is the best one. It's not the best for this one. I think I should need to get a bigger one. It's not easy. There is no other way to remove this crap from here. Damn it. Mostly. Well, sometimes you just need to let them loose a little bit, you know, and then, yeah, just come out. As you can see, GP, não estás a ver? Eu não sei se isto também já está a ficar bem. Now, now you can check if they are blocked or not by, I cannot see from here, but let me just grab. There is some holes blocked, and there is another way to unblock this, not with a needle. I'm gonna show you. Okay, already clean the inside, and now just clean this sideways. Again with the I can fix this again. Little by little. As long as it doesn't affect the see, almost there. It doesn't need to be perfect, but now the cleaning. Get them to loop with the plier and with this little torch. Here you can see he's making some smoke because he's burning the little pieces of coffee that are blocking. Cool down the lighter. I don't want to melt my lighter. The sky has a tendency to overheat. just check. Yeah, much better. Now film. It on the cement. And then after this, just put it on the machine without any coffee. See, it's burning the coffee and the little holes start to open. Yeah, we can have a little needle and clean everything, but yeah, this is faster. Just needed to get it cold. One is not here. This. Try to keep it straight, and then with the little by little. It's quite difficult to. Okay. There it goes. Now it's clean. Okay, now I've already unscrewed this bolt here. For this to come out, just needed to clean with some water. And this. Okay. It's already clean. Just needed to put this back on in here. Certo que eu vou lá, cara. With the Phillips key. It's done. Ready for coffee.
Aliás, ele vai quase para o ano, o que é que tu achas? Tu achas que ele está pequenino?
Não, deixa eu tirar café.
Não?
Deixa eu tirar café, estou a querer gravar. Olha, já. Agora esquece. Eu falei, tu não me estás a nunca me ouves. Olha, está um avião cagado aí por cima. Ou não? O que é isto?
Que é azul? O que é isto?
Esta merda.
Parece um avião.
Isto é um avião? Onde é que ele está? Mas eu não vejo avião nenhum. Porra! Não vi nada. Ok. This is my... This is a special glass just for coffee because it's a double glass and it stays, the coffee stays hot for much longer. I know that because I've like to leave the coffee just cool off a little bit. You can hold it because it is not, the cup is not hot. Oh shit. Caralho. Okay, meanwhile, let's see if I can show this or not. Should go get my camera, but I don't know if she's gonna decide not to work. This is 10 times zoom. This is a Samsung. '11 or something like that. 14, já não sei. Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you are doing well and had a great week today. Eu não sei o que hoje é quinta. Thursday. Huh? Thursday. Yeah. Well, this is starting to. The sun is starting to go down. The days are really shorter. The moon is over there. I was thinking. I'm not sure if I want to get my camera or not. I have a close shots from the moon. Sorry, just checking something over there on the sky. I need glasses to watch close, but to watch far is these are but I like to remove it and look at things from my own eyes. Meanwhile, don't forget to check the shorts and all that things I posted on my community page. Today I have hype a channel Portuguese. If you don't mind, subscribe. If you don't mind, subscribe. He's a great dude, and has a few cool videos. Sometimes he shares a few recent stuff on the news, not only from Portugal, but subscribe. If not, you are ignorant, like he says. The same goes for me. Subscribe. If not, you are. Well, this is going to be a different editing. Meanwhile, I have my. This is an old chair. I need to fix it. There is a hole inside. You notice. Someone have put the foot on top and. Fiona, look at the camera. Estás a ver? Olha, vê a câmera. Isto. Fixe. Are you high or something? It probably was eating some grasses and I need to buy some cat weed. I cannot find it here. I think only online. If you have access to those kind of stuff, if you wish to send me some cat weed for my cats, I really appreciate it. Sent by the mail. There is a link in the description. If you don't find the link, the weed address, sometimes it shows up on the description, sometimes it doesn't. Depends. I have several descriptions to put on the video sometimes, and I forgot to put everything. Well, there is an airplane, leaving chemicals. It just, on my line of sight, is go under the moon, let's say, quite far. If it was close, I like to catch with the camera, zoom on the moon. I've already catch a few stuff flying over the moon. And lately, I'm always skywatching, let's say. Every time I come outside, I have a camera there. Sometimes I look at the phone to see the camera, but be always without thing ready. Having those feelings, I've been not having any feelings about come outside. Shit, it's almost. Well, if you enjoy somehow my content, please don't forget to drop the like. I know I keep repeating myself, but I noticed that consider the number of views, the number of likes are not. This is why YouTube doesn't push my channels up. I know you forget sometimes. You are on the phone. I don't want to, but I do it every time, especially on live streams. I leave the chat because it's one of the first things that when they start join a channel that is doing a live is click the like. Why not? Another thing. I've been posting videos, but for the number of views, I don't know. They cannot be very interesting videos. Sometimes I know, quite annoying. So, oh shit. But anyway, my wife is over there talking with his sister at the phone, just blah 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 blah, very loud. Women. But this is it, basically. I don't have much to say. Still trying to find the best time to do a live stream. The best time I had, well, usually lots of people are streaming on the same time. And so for me to do a live stream to like the other day, only John P show up twice, with one with his phone and the other one with his Sonia, his wife, phone. It was the only 3 people watching, and me with the other account. But anyway, I don't know how many views I have got, but this is a very good sign not to try to do live streams or no one show up. At least considering only after a day or two I have 25 views, and not all some people, because you can see that on the graphics, on the analytics, and same goes to some people are not subscribed yet. And another thing is those people that we subscribe when we are joining other live streams and all that, new connections, new subscribers. Some people need subscribers. I only need subscribers to my second channel. This one I already have enough subscribers because I don't have any much views anyway. But today I have resubscribed another 2 YouTube channels. I don't know how many subscribers I had back. I think 2 as well. But it's okay. But the problem is afterwards they never see a video, or even worse, they unsubscribe after a few days. It's okay, drop a comment on one of those videos. I do that, or at least I try, because we have to. If I want to have one phone, for example, it makes it quite hard to copy sharing and all that, and blah blah blah. Opa, esta merda apagou-se outra vez. Bem, às vezes temos que dizer, começa a falar português e se querem compreender eu tenho que pôr as legendas. I don't know, maybe you can try subtitles in English to see if the thing. Oh, my younger kid is almost here, so I'm gonna have to finish because it's gonna be loud here. Okay, guys, thank you so much for being here. I hope you have enjoyed, and there's some links in the description if you feel generous to drop a donation. I really appreciate it. I know I'm grifting, but I really need it. This is one of the things of not being monetized, is not be able to get anything, But I really appreciate links in the description, okay? Drop the like, subscribe, and do all that, blah, 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 and see you next time. Love you all. And to finish the video of today, well, all recorded with my phone, but still a little bit of the sunset. The moon. The other side. All dark over there. Clouds for sure. Well, hope you have appreciated. Don't forget to hit that like again.